You clean the carb, you replace the fuel pump, clean the gas cap, give it a new battery, and it works about as well as a jet ski in the desert. Let's get to part 3 to this thing. Hey guys, Octane Restorations, and we are back with the 1988 GL1500 Part 3. We got the exact same problem as we did on the other Goldwing. This is going to be a little bit of a deja vu moment, but we're not getting a neutral light on the dash whenever we go to start the motorcycle. If anyone can recall from the last video, raise your hand. What are we going to do today? That's right, we're actually going to replace the reverse lever safety switch instead of just fixing it. So we don't have a neutral light come on. That's some of our symptoms, and then the motor's not even trying to spin over. So, you know, you want to check all your fuses before this, because fuses can cause this problem. And so anytime I have anything electrical at all, I'll check the fuses first. Go ahead, pulled the seat off and the 2 side covers. I'm sorry I didn't get this on video. I don't know why I wasn't recording. But if you look at the dash, this is what it looks like. No neutral. No reverse light comes on. It's just missing them all. To me, that's indicative of the same reverse safety switch. Honda GL1500s are known. If yours is an Aspencade, if yours is a special edition, if it has the reverse, this is a big problem with these. This is the first thing I would consider whenever you have no neutral light on the dash and it's not turning over. So this one's going to be pretty short and sweet. We're just going to be getting these side covers off to expose that. And then we're just going to be replacing this reverse safety switch. As you can see, it's not the only problem keeping this thing from starting, but it is a good start because right now the engine isn't even turning over. One thing you can do before you replace it, you can try to work the reverse lever. Sometimes it'll just get stuck, and just working the reverse lever up and down can free it up, and then your motorcycle will start again. Right now I'm trying to get some WD-40 in there. Normally, if you get some WD-40 or some electrical contact cleaner in there and just move it back and forward, it'll pop on. But see, we're just diagnosing it right there, and now we're getting the neutral light, so we know it is the reverse safety switch. But since this is going to be my daily motorcycle, we're just going to go ahead and replace it. So stay tuned. Since after messing with it, it was still sticking, we're just going to go ahead and replace it right here. Pull off the trim pieces to expose it. Take off the reverse lever to get that off. And there it is. That little black switch that connects to the reverse lever cog right there. And it's got a little end piece that when the reverse lever is rotated, it compresses, and it just makes contact and completes the circuit. See, I'll demonstrate it right here. Now that piston is back out and the circuit is not being completed. But again, these are real common. These are real common to fail. But replacing them is super easy. Once you get all the stuff off, it takes 30 seconds. We're going to direct your attention very briefly to that little plate that both of the reverse levers connect to. So you see that little hole underneath that the reverse lever screws into? Your reverse lever has a little metal piece that goes in that hole. You got to ensure that those line up. It'll cause a lot of problems down the road if it does not line up correctly. So just be sure that lines up. Here's the part number from Honda. I believe I was able to find this one on eBay maybe. eBay and Partzilla are where I get most of my parts. Most of them will have them. look the exact same, which is exactly what we wanted. I don't believe these are year different. I believe the ones from 88, 89 are the same all the way through 2000. But if in doubt, always get one that specifically says it's for your year model. But someone may comment and correct me that I'm wrong, but I do not believe that they're different. I believe Honda kept the same reverse safety switch for all GL1500s. Which it's weird, the 88 and 89s have quite a few different things. But like I was saying, it takes 30 seconds. Unscrew the Phillips, unclip the electrical connection. There's a little tab that little brass piece seats on. And then just put the screw through. Use a JIS screwdriver. My subscriber's gonna hate me mentioning JIS screwdrivers because I do it so much, but use a JIS screwdriver like I just did. And you can put a dab of electrode grease on that connection. And then just slide it in. So pretty easy. I know it was a real short video, this video only being 7 minutes long or so. We were able to fix this problem though. Next video is going to be a little longer, I promise. That's why this one's so short, is because the next video is going to take some time. So we're not able to get to start. I'll let you hear what it sounds like now. Like a starter solenoid going bad. So that's all we got for this one. Next episode we're going to do the clutch, and we will be doing some more electrical diagnosis to see if we can get this tracked down. Thanks for watching. This is Octane Restorations. You have a good rest of your day. See you next time.